Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Just imagine if you guys can put on any dress on any person in the world. Yes, it's possible right now. And today I'm going to share exactly how to achieve this. And believe me, this is very simple. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use this platform is very easy and simple. First, open your browser and search for WE Shop AI, or you can find the link in the description below. Click on the provided link to access the website. You guys can see they have also worked with some major companies, with some major brands like the Mercado Libre, Etsy, Shopify, Lazada, Shopee, Amazon, eBay, and more. So that's enough to get the idea that this is a trusted platform. Now to access this one, just click on this try for free and sign up with your Google account. Once done, you will have this interface in front of you. You'll see various options on the left side, such as mannequin, model, product, toy, children, replicate, and more. But today, we only going to talk about their two major features, like mannequin and model feature. So click on the models. So here you can see, I have already tried few images. So simply click on this new task and now upload your reference image. So let's say I want to wear the exact same dress of this lady. So this is our source image. This is our main image. Then click on the edit button and now we have to select the area that we want to keep in our image. So I will select only the dress and the AI will automatically make a selection of this one. So you don't have to do it manually. So just make a precise selection. And here we have a couple of more options. If you get something wrong, you can undo things. Also, you can invert this. Like this will select the background instead of clothes. Then we have the in-painting option. So if there is something that is not selected by the AI, you can do it manually, right? Once done, hit complete. And next, we have three different options. We have the text description, we have the templates, and we have prompt. So let's discuss the text description first. So here, you have to type the prompt. These are few examples, like a girl wearing a floor and dress walking on a Tokyo street. And these are a couple of more examples just to give you the idea. Then we have the templates option. So inside of the template option, the SE are some pre-generated models. You can select pre-generated models, and then you can even select the locations. These are pre-generated locations. If you want to go with this one, it all depends on you. And at the last, we have the prompt option. So let's give it a prompt, like a British woman with blonde hairs walking on a city street. Well, this is a very simple prompt, but let's describe the things in a detail. So if you want to add the negative prompt, it all depends on you, but I don't want to add any negative prompt and it generate, okay? So these are the output results. And here's the before and after. And you guys can see there's no changing with the dress, only the model phase. The location is changed, but the dress is exactly same. There is no changing with the dress. And just look at that, how realistic these images are and how accurate the dress is. And believe me, this is really hard to achieve with the tools. Like the Stable Diffusion, you have to go through from a lot of procedures to achieve these results. But in this case, this is only a matter of clicks. Now let me show you one more cool thing. So let's try another image. Let's try this one. And again, just make a selection of a dress only once done. Just go to the templates and now select any pre-generated model. So let's say I'm going to go with this model and just scroll down and select any location from here. So here we have a lot of pre-generated locations, so you don't have to type the prompt manually. So let's say I'm going to go with the Insta-worthy outdoor and hit generate, okay? So these are the results. So this is the before and after. And look at that. Just look at the dress, the quality of the image. It's amazing. Let's see. If you don't have any model, you only have the dress, then you can go with the mannequin option. So again, create a new task and upload the mannequin image. This is the image of a dress on a mannequin. So I will select this one and again, follow the same process of making a selection of your dress and then go to the prompt section and type in your prompt like a beautiful woman posing for photo shoot and hit generate. So these are the output results and look at that. Here's a before and after. It's very amazing. If we look at overall the dress, it looks really good. So these are a couple of more examples you can get the idea right. So you guys can try this a tool for free. Apart from this, you can use all its tools like product, toy, children, replicate, and the same process will will be used in all of them. You will also be able to convert your photo to PNG and upscale. Friends, you can also generate image to image and text to image, so you guys can try. This is a free tool, but if you guys are serious about this, you can buy the premium plan, starting at $10 per month, and you guys can generate around 300 plus images per month. This is a big number. Apart from this, you can also buy high plan, starting at $49 and $99. It's really very useful tool. So link in the description below. Go ahead and check that out and see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our